Yo, what it is, everybody, and thanks for tuning back in here to another episode here on the Speedbug channel. Alright, today we got another episode here about the little Gromski. And the reason why we're doing that is because I was doing some wheelies not too long ago. I wasn't going to tell y'all this, but I figured I'd let y'all in, ain't no big deal. So I put paint on it, but now you can see it. I scratched my fairing because it finally fell down, and this one too. So I got to take the two little side fairings off and put some new ones on. So I figured I would show you how to do so and get that fixed up. If any of you guys haven't taken any plastics off, now you guys will know. So let's swap these two fairings. Have our face here. We're going to pull this bottom piece off, swap over the fairing, and put it back on the bike, which is pretty straightforward. A couple screws in a retaining clip here, and that's pretty much it. So I'll film this getting put back on the bike. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. So we got our factory replacement panels. No more scratch and no more scratch. So we are looking gravy. And that's how you replace the front panels in case you ever drop your GROM. I think this panel was $11 and this one was $9. Parts are super cheap for this thing. You gotta remember, these things are only 3,500 bucks brand new. So parts can't be that expensive for them. And when you wreck them and drop them and stuff, that's kind of what they're meant to do. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's going to conclude it here for today's video. If y'all liked what you saw, again, don't forget to subscribe, and we will check you here for another episode here on the Speedbug channel. Deuces.